Hi there, quick review of this USB-C multi-port kind of dock hub station that I got recently. You can see it comes in this nice kind of compact little packaging here. We'll go up, you can see I've got everything connected. This is where the power comes in and then goes out to the laptop. From there I've got USB for a webcam, wireless mouse and keyboard, as well as two other HDMI screens. Little March Madness, but this has worked phenomenally for me. I actually have two open USB ports that are unused, but what's really nice on this one is it has the sound, so I can have my speakers hooked up that make it really easy to have everything in one shop. So I just kind of put my laptop down, plug it in, everything realizes where it's at, and it works really nicely. So highly recommend this product. It's been fantastic for the price. Thanks.
Okay, this is what I bought, right? The Selore thing. I've had several because I'm trying to work a hard drive and then my other drive back there, and also my microphone for my podcast. It works. They give you a little product manual for Windows and Mac. And then they give you this little card. I love when they give cards inside to just share. I think that's really important. So good company. So I'm giving it 5 stars. This is it. The best part about it is, guys, it works. And sometimes when you buy stuff on Amazon, it doesn't work. So thumbs up for this.
Really nice product. Plugs in to your laptop right here. C port. Uses the HDMI 2 ports right here. Some other ports. Then you can project it with my setup onto screens from your computer.